Whether you're slave to 9 to 5 or you risking your life just trying to get over. Trying to get over.
So have my times of happiness and asking for more and asking for less. On the job blessed, oh yes. My struggle caught your words too persistent. All I can see is dreams fading in the distance. Now I'm working on my intelligence. Look open for the recipe I cook it came and took. A dog with a poppy face and understand the section. Is the holly snog, scientific information. With mental penetration, it's a gift, not an option. When it told grandson, play your position. Keep them guessing whenever you wanna hold for ransom. Someone to come and cut your tongue for your wisdom. I'm walking free, but I'm still saying I want my freedom. We're different, that's what we got in common. Come on, I could share my cup of knowledge, proper mix. Check the indie skill, don't spill. S is for real. Just say this right, get was a pity. Shona Zulu, man, is focus, man. This ain't a hocus pocus, man. I'm confronting them like Chaka Zulu, them I do the running, man. What a great year to start a new year. I can hear voices of a ghost ringing in my ear, but I won't let my thoughts run astray. Needless to say, I believe in the prayers and pray. Man, the foreign trying to cope. Every day I wake up to renew my sense of hope. Ain't nothing I want, man, I can't just smoke. The only antidote. In the place that evil bears your name. I'm the absolute money, come my domain. Meaning that whatever the game, I remain strong, pop the food chain. Simple and plain, respect the name. That's all you regain. With poverty pains, mean I drop names. I so clear like the Olympic game flames.
One thing in life is certain. If I could just slip up one time, it's curtains. Time is money, 9 to 5 ain't working. I'm out, 5 to 9 I'm circling. Still pressing gas so when my eyes is hurting. In time, I'll know if it's worth it. In too deep and now we trying to resurface. I'll put the time, I'm still learning. We all make mistakes, go ahead and test my faith. Do whatever it takes. We came from pegging the weight. Face my fears couldn't face me. Who's willing to fake what we had to go through to put meals in the plate? Expect the unexpected, blessed with spirit. No stepping unprotected, the power's invested. In I change our perspective.
Perilous times on these front lines, where the weight of the world weighs heavy on your shoulders. Whether you're slave to 9 to 5 or you're risking your life just trying to get over. Trying to get over. Perilous times on these front lines.